Now, if you have seen one of Doc Rogers' shows, you have no doubt seen me take a member of the audience, possibly even you, and make that person suspend or float in the air. Well, I can't teach you how to do that trick, but I can teach you how to take a pencil and make it suspend or float in the air. Watch close. Are you ready? Just like that, on the count of 3, the pencil will suspend in the air. 1, 2, 3. And see, just like that, the pencil does not fall. Now, if you're like most people, you probably realize that I was using my thumb. And if you thought that, you would be absolutely correct. But here's a couple of things you want to remember. Number 1, don't put your thumb on there too early, or they'll see you do that. Number 2, don't put your thumb on there too late, or the pencil will fall because gravity takes over. And number 3, when you turn your hand over and you're holding it with your thumb like that, don't show it like this, because they would see that you're holding it with your thumb. Oh, and one more thing. Don't let go with your thumb at this point like this, because the pencil will fall. If you would like to learn this trick, you and only you will give you 5 seconds to send those that you don't want to learn this trick out of the room, because we're about to reveal how it works. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, to do the trick with the floating pencil, it's obviously a setup from the very beginning. You make it very obvious you're using your thumb, because your thumb is there and suddenly your thumb disappears. This isn't the vanishing thumb trick, it's the floating pencil trick. So after you turn your hand back over, you might have an audience that's very polite and won't say anything at all. They'll just go, wow, that was good. And if they do, say, well, do you know how it works? And eventually somebody's going to say, you're holding it with your thumb. And say, oh, could you see it? Like you're disappointed that they knew how it worked. But nobody questions as to why you're holding your left wrist with your right hand. You go through the motions of teaching them how to do the trick and not show it here and don't put your thumb on there too early and everything else. But the very last time, you're going to move this finger from around your wrist over to the other side to hold the pencil. In slow motion, it looks like this. Done quickly, it looks like this. So now you can let go with your thumb. It seems like the pencil floats in the air. Hold it just like that for only a moment. Grab the pencil back with your thumb and pull your hands apart. When you pull your hands apart, don't pull them apart like this, because that might point out how the trick works. Just pull your hands apart as if, wow, isn't that a great trick? So that's the floating pencil trick.